Configuring backup and replication. In today's cloud-driven IT landscape, ensuring data protection, availability, and disaster recovery readiness is critical for businesses of all sizes. Backup and replication are two essential strategies that organizations implement to protect workloads, minimize downtime, and ensure business continuity in case of hardware failures, cyber attacks, or disasters. Backup creates copies of data and stores them securely for long-term retention and recovery, while replication ensures that an up-to-date copy of workloads remains available in a secondary location for instant failover. Configuring these mechanisms correctly is crucial to maintaining data integrity, security, and operational efficiency. Understanding backup versus replication. Although both backup and replication serve data protection purposes, they operate differently. Backup involves creating periodic copies of data and storing them in on-premises, cloud, or hybrid storage locations. It is mainly used for long-term retention, data archiving, and compliance. Backup is effective for recovering deleted files, corrupted data, or previous versions of workloads. Replication creates real-time or near real-time copies of virtual machines, VMs, and applications at a secondary location. It ensures that a hot standby system is ready to take over if the primary system fails, minimizing downtime. Organizations often use both backup and replication together to achieve a comprehensive disaster recovery strategy. Key components of backup and replication. VMware and modern DR solutions provide automated tools to simplify backup and replication across on-premises and cloud environments. The key components include 1. Backup and recovery solutions. VMware vSphere Data Protection, VDP, a built-in backup solution for VMware environments, now replaced by third-party solutions. VMware Cloud Disaster Recovery, VCDR, provides cloud-based backup and recovery capabilities using immutable storage to prevent ransomware attacks. Third-party backup software. Solutions like Veeam, Commvault, Dell EMC Avamar, and Rubrik offer advanced incremental backups, deduplication, and fast recovery. 2. Replication technologies. VMware vSphere Replication enables asynchronous replication of VMs between on-premises data centers or VMware Cloud on AWS. Site Recovery Manager, SRM, provides orchestrated failover and failback for automated disaster recovery in VMware environments. Cloud-based replication allows replication of workloads to AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud for hybrid or multi-cloud DR strategies. 3. Storage and network considerations. Storage policies define backup frequency, retention periods, and encryption policies to meet business continuity objectives. Network bandwidth and latency. Configuring WAN acceleration and deduplication improves replication speed while minimizing bandwidth consumption. Configuring backup in VMware environments. Step 1. Define backup strategy. 1. Determine RTO and RPO goals. Recovery time objective, RTO, defines how quickly you need data restored, while recovery point objective, RPO, determines how much data loss is acceptable. 2. Choose a backup method. Full backup copies entire workloads used for long-term archiving. Incremental backup backs up only changed data, reducing storage usage. Snapshot-based backup captures the VM state at specific points in time. Step 2. Configure backup solution. 1. Install backup software, e.g. Veeam, Commvault, or VMware Cloud DR. 2. Select backup targets. Choose on-premises NAS, SAN, or cloud storage like AWS S3 or Azure Blob Storage. 3. Define backup schedule and retention. Set daily, weekly, or monthly backup frequencies. Retain backups for regulatory compliance, e.g. HIPAA, GDPR, or SOX. Step 3. Test backup and recovery. 1. Perform regular backup verification tests to ensure data integrity. 2. Implement air-gapped or immutable backups for ransomware protection. 3. Automate recovery procedures for faster restore times. Configuring replication in VMware environments. Step 1. Set up vSphere Replication. 1. Deploy vSphere Replication appliance in vCenter. 2. Configure replication destinations, e.g. secondary data center or cloud DR site. 3. Define RPO thresholds, e.g. 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour. Step 2. Enable disaster recovery automation. 1. Use Site Recovery Manager, SRM, for automated failover and failback workflows. 2. Configure DR orchestration plans to prioritize mission-critical workloads. 3. Perform non-disruptive DR testing to validate replication integrity. Step 3. Optimize replication performance. 1. Enable compression and deduplication. Reduces network bandwidth consumption. 2. Use WAN acceleration. Speeds up replication over long distances. 3. Monitor replication health. Ensure synchronization status and recovery readiness. Best practices for backup and replication. To ensure high availability, security, and compliance, follow these best practices. Follow the 3-2-1 backup rule. Keep 3 copies of data on 2 different storage types with 1 copy stored off-site. Use immutable backups. Prevent ransomware from modifying backup files. Automate failover and failback. Ensure fast disaster recovery with minimal downtime. Regularly test backup and replication plans. Perform disaster recovery drills to validate recovery workflows. Monitor storage and network performance. Prevent bottlenecks affecting backup and replication speeds. Final thoughts. A well-configured backup and replication strategy ensures that organizations can recover quickly from data loss, cyber threats, or unexpected failures. By leveraging VMware backup and replication technologies, businesses gain resilient disaster recovery, reduced downtime, and seamless workload mobility across multi-cloud environments. In the next section, we'll explore security and compliance in VMware Cloud. Let's continue.